Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, we are going to complete page number 20. We are done with the reading of Unit 2, Traveling Together Around the Sun. Let's start our comprehension. Open up your books, page number 20, A part. How are the planets below alike and different? Complete the diagram. There is a chart mentioned. You're supposed to complete the differences and similarities. That is, the things which are different among Earth and Venus and the things which are same among Earth and Venus. As you are done with your reading, so you can complete this question by yourself. Pause this video and solve this question. I have written down this question for you as well. Let us match our answers. For Earth, let us see which things are different. Earth is not very hot and it does not contain very thick clouds. Venus is much hotter as compared to Earth and it is covered in thick clouds. Among Earth and Venus, which things are alike? They both are almost the same size. Part B. Circle true or false. There are some statements mentioned. You have read these statements in your reading section. Pause this video and solve this question by circling the statement. If it is true, circle on true, and if the statement is false, circle on F. I have solved this question for you as well. Let us match our answers. Mercury and our moon both have craters. This is true. Mars once had a flowing water. This is true. You can stand on the surface of the other planets. This is false because other planets does not have force of gravity, but we on Earth have force of gravity. There are only a few asteroids in our solar system. This is false. We have a lot of asteroids in our solar system. Part C. You remember words in context? We had done in our previous lecture. Now what you have to do is, by using the meanings of those words in context, you have to match the following sentences with their parts. Pause this video, memorize all the words in context meanings, and then match the following answers. I have solved this question for you as well. Let us match our answers. Space probes explore planets and moon. Explore means to travel around a new place to learn about it. Many bodies travel in space. Bodies means large objects in space. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are inner planets. Inner means close to the center. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are outer planets. Outer means far from the center. Now what you have to do is you have to write down the sentences for words in context on a loose sheet of paper. That's all for today.